If you are unsure where to begin, scan the QR codes on the plotter printers to get a step-by-step guide on how to print your poster. When you are ready to go, from the Downloads folder or the desktop, open your project. Make sure the printer is set to Thompson 160 plotter, the page sizing and handling is set to fit, and select the unique orientation for your poster. In this video, we will be following the steps for printing a landscape poster. Now select Properties and click on the Paper Quality tab. Under Paper option, click the drop-down menu for document size and scroll down and select More. When the new window opens, scroll down and select the arch size you desire B through E for your paper size and click OK. Set the paper quality in the middle between speed and quality. At the top of the window, select Layout/Output and then select Fit To under Resizing options and Landscape under Orientation. Under Rotation, click the drop-down menu and select Rotate to 90 degrees. Then click OK, and finally, you are ready to click Print. When prompted, type in your name, number, and select Print. Return to the printer and swipe your Buck ID. Make sure your project is selected and click Print. Your poster will print and fall into the basket when ready to be picked up. You can trim your poster with the available poster cutters if need be. If you have any questions, our Student Printing Help Desk employees are there to help, or click the link in the description for more information.